When it comes to investing, the search for reliable income sources is always top of mind for many investors. Two popular options in this area are dividend kings and high-yield stocks. But which one is right for you? In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these two types of investments, their pros and cons, and help you decide which might be the best fit for your portfolio. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting, understanding these concepts will guide you in making better financial decisions. Dividend kings. Dividend kings are companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts for at least 50 consecutive years. These companies are considered the gold standard for dividend investors because they have shown resilience, stability, and a proven track record. Some well-known examples of dividend kings include Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. What sets dividend kings apart is their ability to weather economic downturns and continue paying dividends year after year. This makes them attractive to long-term investors seeking stability and a steady income stream. What are high-yield stocks? High-yield stocks, on the other hand, are companies that offer a dividend yield significantly higher than the average market yield. Typically, these stocks offer yields of 5%, 6%, or even higher, which can be tempting for income-seeking investors. These companies are often found in industries such as real estate investment trusts, REITs, utilities, and energy sectors. While the higher yield may seem appealing, high-yield stocks come with risks that investors should carefully consider. The higher the yield, the higher the risk that the company may not be able to maintain those payouts over time. In some cases, the higher yield could be a sign of trouble, such as declining earnings or financial instability. Let's break down the pros and cons of dividend kings. Pros. Stability and reliability. Dividend kings are established companies with a long history of financial stability. Their business models are typically strong, and they've proven their ability to maintain dividends even during challenging times. Long-term growth potential. Over the years, dividend kings not only maintain their dividends but also have the potential for capital appreciation. These companies tend to be blue-chip stocks with strong fundamentals. Inflation protection. Many dividend kings are known for increasing their dividend payouts over time, often outpacing inflation. This provides investors with a growing stream of income. Slower growth. While dividend kings are solid investments, their growth may not be as rapid as high-growth stocks or tech companies. Investors looking for higher returns may find dividend kings less exciting. Limited yield. Although dividend kings offer reliable dividends, their yields tend to be moderate, generally ranging between 2 to 4%. For some investors, this may not provide the income they desire. Now, let's examine the advantages and drawbacks of high-yield stocks. Pros. Higher income potential. The most obvious advantage of high-yield stocks is the potential for higher dividend income. With yields often reaching 5% or more, these stocks can provide a significant income stream. Attractive for income-seeking investors, high-yield stocks are often sought after by retirees or others who need immediate income from their investments. If you're looking to generate cash flow from your portfolio, high-yield stocks can be a good choice. Diverse opportunities. High-yield stocks can be found in a variety of industries, giving investors the chance to diversify their portfolios with companies that offer above-average dividend yields. Higher risk. As mentioned earlier, a high dividend yield can signal potential risks, such as financial trouble or a decline in earnings. Companies offering unusually high yields may be struggling to maintain their payouts, and there's always the risk that the dividend could be cut. Volatility. High-yield stocks, particularly those in certain sectors like energy or real estate, can be more volatile. Market fluctuations can heavily affect these stocks, and in some cases the stock price may be more prone to declines. Sustainability concerns. A high yield is only valuable if the company can maintain it. If a company's payout ratio is unsustainable, it might have to reduce its dividend, which could lead to a sharp decline in stock price. So, how do dividend kings and high-yield stocks compare when it comes to long-term investing? Risk versus reward. Dividend kings are generally considered safer investments due to their stability and long history of paying and growing dividends. They might not offer the high yields that high-yield stocks provide, but they come with lower risk and a greater likelihood of maintaining consistent payouts. High-yield stocks, on the other hand, come with the potential for higher income, but also carry higher risk. As the paradigm shifts, for an investor seeking more immediate cash flow, high-yield stocks may be tempting, but those looking for long-term stability might favor dividend kings. Income versus growth. Dividend kings are more suited for investors seeking long-term growth with reliable income. These companies tend to grow slowly but steadily, making them great for a buy and hold strategy. High-yield stocks can offer larger dividends up front, but they may lack the long-term growth potential that dividend kings possess. Investors in high-yield stocks should be prepared for more volatility and the possibility that their dividend may not be sustainable. Diversification. High-yield stocks allow investors to diversify into various sectors, such as energy, real estate, and utilities, which might not be as well represented in a portfolio focused on dividend kings. However, dividend kings themselves are usually diversified across different industries and often have the financial strength to navigate market challenges more effectively. When to choose dividend kings. Dividend kings are ideal for investors looking for stable, long-term growth. These stocks are particularly well suited for those who want to reinvest their dividends and watch their investment grow over time. If you're planning for retirement and need a reliable income source, dividend kings may offer the security you need. Additionally, they can serve as a solid foundation for a diversified portfolio. When to choose high-yield stocks? High-yield stocks can be a good choice for investors who are primarily looking for income. If you need immediate cash flow from your investments, high-yield stocks may provide the necessary dividends. However, it's important to keep in mind that these stocks come with higher risk and can be more volatile. Investors should be cautious and ensure they're selecting companies with a good chance of maintaining their high yields. What should you do? The decision between dividend kings and high-yield stocks ultimately depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and income needs. If you prefer stability, growth, and a lower risk profile, dividend kings are likely the better choice for you. If you're more focused on higher income and are willing to take on more risk, high-yield stocks might be worth considering. Remember that it's also possible to create a balanced portfolio that includes both dividend kings and high-yield stocks. This way, you can enjoy the stability of dividend kings while also capturing the potential for higher income from high-yield stocks. Choosing between dividend kings and high-yield stocks isn't a decision to take lightly. Both options have their own strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to carefully assess your financial goals before making a choice. If you're looking for a steady and reliable income stream with low risk, dividend kings might be the right fit. But if you're after higher income and can handle a bit more risk, high-yield stocks could be a good addition to your portfolio. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Echo Stories for more insightful content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. See you in the next video.